Hi, I'm Chris Isom, General Manager of Coperion Food Health and Nutrition. At Coperion FHN, we are unifying technologies and unlocking possibilities. We can't wait to see you at IBIE and share with you what the combination of technologies and decades of experience can do for you. At IBIE, our solutions are organized into core capability zones. Zone 1, Systems and Ingredient Automation, features technologies from Shikastev and Chemutech. Zone 2 showcases innovative technologies from Baker Perkins, Diosna, Schaefer, Peerless, and VMI for every stage of dough processing, from fermentation and mixing to forming and dividing. Zone 3 presents solutions for dosing, decorating, cutting, and more from Bacon and Unifiller. At IBIE, Coperion will feature the Connect Advisor, the future of equipment, service, and training. Connect Advisor Remote Services streamlines equipment, maintenance, and troubleshooting to reduce downtime, improve efficiency, enhance safety, and minimize training time. Coperion's technologies offer over 200 years of a proven track record and specialized expertise in bakery and baked good industries. Whether you make pan bread, artisan loaves, cookies, crackers, sweet goods, pizza, tortillas, or snacks, our experts are ready to review your projects, answer your questions, and problem solve together. Meet Coperion in the West Hall, booth 1825, or visit us anytime at coperion.com/FHN.